Hi everyone, this is another handbag comparison video. I recently did some comparison videos. If you're interested, please check out that playlist. Today I want to compare these two handbags from Louis Vuitton. I have the Neverfull MM and the Neonoe, also MM size. So if you're interested in the comparison, then keep watching. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Yue. I do videos on designer handbags, clothing, as well as shoes. I also do videos on makeup I love. I just did a giveaway video. If you're interested, go check it out. So if you're interested, then please go and enter. I'm giving away 2 eyeshadow palettes from the Chanel Fall collection. If you like the content I create on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week. I have talked about my handbags in separate videos. If you're interested in the in-depth review, definitely go check them out. Today, I just want to do a quick comparison of these two handbags. A lot of people have the Neverfull as their first Louis Vuitton handbag. Same here. But the Neonoe has become so popular. This is definitely a new classic from Louis Vuitton, so I just thought it would be a great idea to compare those handbags. I put those two handbags together because they are both shoulder bags or tote bags. This is definitely a big tote and this is a shoulder bag, but it's kind of like a tote, you know what I mean? It's very roomy and very functional, so I thought I would put those two handbags together and do a comparison. I've had my Neverfull for about 5 years now. I don't use this bag that often. I only use it when I travel. It's just me. I'm sure a lot of people can find this more useful, but I'm very happy to have this handbag in my collection. I love the fact that this is the monogram print. I think it's so classic, and also because it's canvas, it doesn't really get damaged. That's why my Neverfull looks still like new, except for the leather part. So if you have the monogram or the demi-azur, you gotta be careful with the leather part, but other than that, I think this is a great handbag. If you have the Neverfull in the demi bean, you basically have nothing to worry about. I usually just use this bag like this, but you can definitely use the straps here to make it a little bit smaller. I think it's cute to carry this like this, and if you carry this like this, it's gonna be more similar to the Neonoe here. So the similar shape. But usually I just leave this completely open because when I travel, I will bring a lot of stuff with me, so I will have more space this way. I like to carry this when I travel because, especially if I fly, I like to bring a pillow with me, and this is a great bag to put a pillow in because it's spacious. And this baby here is definitely smaller than a Neverfull, but I think this is big enough for a lot of people. I would think this is as spacious as at least a Speedy 25 or a 30, so you definitely can fit in a lot of stuff in here. I did a what fits video about this handbag, so if you're interested, go check that out. I've talked about this handbag so many times on my channel. This is definitely one of my favorite handbags from Louis Vuitton. I love the canvas here, I love the leather trim, and I personally love the shape. I think it's casual, but it's somewhat structured. It's not very slouchy because of the middle compartment there. That compartment there really keeps this bag structured, which I like. I definitely think this bag is more structured than a Speedy. I do not have a handbag organizer because I don't think I need it, but you can definitely order some. They will definitely make this bag more structured. I feel like more and more people are getting to the Neonoe now. It's definitely very popular. I'm thinking to get another one in the unprung leather. I just haven't made up my mind on the color. I also have other handbags on my wish list, so I haven't bought it yet, but it's something I'm considering. That just shows you how much I love this bag. For the Neverfull, I know a lot of people love this handbag. I just don't find it useful, maybe because I don't have kids yet, so maybe this will become my mommy bag when I have kids, but for the time being I don't use this that often. If you like a handbag that can carry a lot of stuff and that's iconic, definitely consider the Neverfull. If you want a smaller handbag but that's also iconic, get the Neonoe. For the newer design, they added a top handle. Mine doesn't, so I ordered one from an Etsy store. So this makes it easier to carry this handbag. I have the black leather here, so I picked the black leather top handle. You can definitely choose a different color to match your handbag. I find this very genius and I love it. Another good thing about this handbag is with this length here, you can wear this as a shoulder bag or you can wear this as a crossbody. I personally think this is a little big for a crossbody, but you can definitely wear it that way. I just use it as a shoulder bag and I find it very convenient. And now with the top handle here, I really love this handbag. I just love it. Another good thing about my Neonoe is because of the color combination, it basically can go with any outfit, I think. It is a little bit casual, so if you need to go out for a fancy dinner, this might not be your choice. You may want to go with like a Chanel handbag instead, but I find this handbag very useful. I have a bottle of water here, so I can easily put my water bottle in there and you can even see it from here, so it's very spacious. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. The only con I can think of is the middle compartment. The middle compartment here is a zipper pocket, however the middle compartment does not go all the way to the bottom, so if you put a pen in this bag, the pen will roll over in the bag because of that. So that's the only con I can think of. Overall, I think this is a must-have handbag from Louis Vuitton. The cons of this bag is, first, the straps here are very thin, so when the bag gets heavy, this will hurt your shoulder. Second, it's a Neverfull, so if you are a more organized person, you probably need to get a bag organizer. Otherwise, this is very big and may not be convenient for some people. The pros of this bag is it's iconic. No matter what print you have, this is an iconic bag. Everybody knows that. This is a Neverfull, and it's functional. You can put a lot of stuff in here. A lot of people use this bag for school, for traveling. I wouldn't say this is a bag that you have to have. I think it would be great you have this handbag because it's just so classic and so iconic. And another con of this handbag is the leather here. The leather will definitely change the color. Mine already has, but it doesn't bother me. I kind of like the patina here, and also you're gonna see some watermarks like this. I have some watermarks here. If this bothers you, get a demi bean. That way you won't have a problem with the leather. I got my Neverfull 5 years ago. At the time, they didn't even have the Neonoe. But if you are watching and you don't own those two bags, I would highly recommend getting the Neonoe first. And if you find the need to add a Neverfull, you can always do that in the future. I believe that those two are both classic handbags, and Louis Vuitton will not get rid of them. Another pro of the Neverfull is if you're a person that needs to carry like a paper document, then you probably need this size, because for the Neonoe you will have to fold your document, which is not good. So, but if you just have a regular like notebook, you can definitely fit in your notebook or a planner in this bag. If you have something on a bigger size, then the Neverfull will be a better choice. Let me know in the comment below which handbag is your favorite. I personally love the Neonoe very much, but I also think the Neverfull is a great handbag to have. If you're a handbag lover, I think probably one day you will get both. I don't think I will ever get rid of those two handbags. They will stay in my collection for the rest of my life. I love them, even though I use the Neonoe a little bit more than my Neverfull, but I use both handbags and I love both. I hope this video is not too long. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Leave a comment to chat with me. Let me know what you think. Do you like those handbags? Or do you dislike those handbags, and why? And let's have a little bit conversation in the comment below. If you want to see more videos from me in the future, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have new videos every week. Now I hope you will enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you next time. Take care.